Hello everyone. This is basically going to be my recap video of all the different type of rules and the basic rules and the equipment that you use for bowling. So first I want to talk about the instructional video that I posted, and it was about basic rules and knowledge of bowling, including the equipment that you use and the basic safety tips located into it as well. And the second video I did I did the I did the basic roll, which is the basic roll that everybody does in bowling that you normally see. And the second video I did the curveball roll. And in the fourth video I did the backup bowl. And in the last video I did the the two-handed roll bowl. So I'm going to talk to you about, give you a recap of all the things that I showed you. So in the first video, I was talking about the instructions on basically how the scoring goes for bowling with the strikes and spares and the splits. I showed you an example of how the total points get added. Also, I showed you about the equipment that you use. Like I said, you gotta find the right ball that fits you by size-wise of the fingers and the size-wise of the weight of the ball. And also, I showed you another equipment I showed you I used was the bowling shoes that everybody has. Even if you don't have a pair, you can go to a bowling alley, you could just rent them out, basically pay for them. And also, I showed you about the bowling alley that they have. I showed you how they have the foul line, that you're not supposed to cross it, because when you cross the foul line, it gets a little more slippery. Also, I told you about the arrows of the bowl. That's how people aim. It's like only a couple of feet away from the foul ball line. That's how people aim to see where they want to roll their ball at to make it go to a certain spot. How perfect they're trying to aim. And in the next video, I told you about the regular basic roll. Like I said, the regular basic roll that everybody sees is when everybody just basically just rolls like this with one arm and cocks back and just roll like that. So that is the basic roll. The basic roll is very common. Even I bowl like that. Sometimes I do the curve, but most of the time I roll basic. And that's the very easy way. If you need to look at that, like I said, on my YouTube videos, you can see that I have the instructions on how to have on the basic roll. And in the next video, I talked about the curveball roll. That's another way I bowl when I'm trying to hit certain pins or just testing my skills out with the curveball. And that one is basically when, like I said, when you have the ball in your hand, still like a regular bowl, and when you cock back, and once you're going up to the releasing point, you're supposed to flick your hand like this. So you're going from this, and once you're going up, you flick. And when you flick, you kind of want to roll more to, say I'm right-handed, I roll more to the outside of it when I'm releasing. So when I'm flicking, it's kind of more going to the outside, so it could curve back in to hit the middle of the pins. And in the third video, I talked about another way to bowl, which was the backup bowl. The backup bowl is low-key just like the curve bowl, but it's the opposite direction. And you're going to bowl towards, since I'm right-handed, you're going to bowl from left to right. So, like I said, when you're bowling, give you a quick example. Basically holding like this, and when you're going back like this, instead of going out and flicking your hand like this, you're going to basically go in. You're going to go back, and you're going to kind of go in with it, and you kind of going to turn your wrist this way. So when you turn your wrist this way, it's going to go from left to right, because I'm right-handed, so it's going to go from left to right, and it's going to curve just like that. Most people, you see a lot of people use this on splits for some odd reason. It's kind of weird, but people use it for regular bowl too when they starting off. But splits is the best way to use it. Like I said, if you want to see that video too as well, you just go back into my YouTube channel, and you're going to see that I have a instructional video on backup bowl. And the last video I did was the two-handed bowl. So basically, we could use two hands to actual bowl. Like I said, a lot of the younger generation around my age and younger, they use that type of bowling skill. So it's basically holding the ball this is your placeholder. I'm right-handed, so I'm using this bowl still, using this hand to bowl. And as I go back, I'm still having both hands on the ball. And when I'm releasing, I'm using this as a placeholder, but I'm still putting the force with the hand that I used to roll with. And basically that's the recap video of all the videos I have. And like I said, for that one, if you want to go on my YouTube channel, you can also see the two-handed bull as well. But this is my recap video though. I hope you guys enjoyed my instructional videos and my introduction. I hope you guys use it and I hope you learn from it. And y'all have a great one. See you later.